What do your iPhone, Levi's jeans, and morning soy milk have in common? They all could get more expensive and fast. As Donald Trump's trade war with China deepens, it is American companies that may be caught in the economic crossfire. From tech giants to farmers, no sector seems safe. So, which businesses are set to take the biggest hit, and what does that mean for you? We explain. In a dramatic escalation of his protectionist trade agenda, the Donald Trump administration has announced that China now faces 245% tariffs on all United States imports after Beijing retaliated in the ongoing trade war that has bruised global markets and investor sentiments. This marks the most aggressive stance yet in a trade war that's already seen years of tit for tat retaliation. China, in turn, isn't backing down. It has raised its own tariffs on US goods from 84% to 125% and warned it will fight to the end. Trump argues these tariffs are necessary to protect American industries from unfair competition and trade imbalances. But for companies used to relying on cheap Chinese imports, the reality could mean shrinking margins and painful layoffs. Despite rising tensions, the US and China remain deeply interlinked trade partners. In 2024 alone, the two countries exchanged $582.4 billion worth of goods. Of that, $438.9 billion were US imports from China, and only $143.5 billion were exports in the other direction. That leaves America with a $295.4 billion trade deficit, the largest with any country. So when tariffs go up, the pressure isn't just on China. It affects American industries, especially those that depend on global supply chains. The global clothing industry runs on Asian factory hubs, and those are now under threat. Factories in China, Vietnam, and Indonesia produced 95% of Nike footwear in 2024. Now, with China facing 145% tariffs and Vietnam and Indonesia slapped with 10% duties, that may soon rise. Major brands are scrambling. Nike shares have fallen 14.7%, Gap is down 14%, and Levi's stock plunged by over 10%. Vietnam is particularly vulnerable. It not only exports its own goods but also reprocesses and reroutes many Chinese products, making it a hidden link in the US China trade chain. That puts brands like Gap and Levi's at further risk. On the surface, US tech firms were spared. For now, the Trump administration granted temporary exemptions on smartphones, chips, and other key electronics. This was a relief for companies like Apple, which depends heavily on Chinese factories, and Nvidia, which sources many parts from the region. But here's the catch: these products still face 20% tariffs from earlier rounds, and the current exemption is temporary. Trump has also launched a new investigation into national security concerns around semiconductor imports, a move that could further disrupt tech supply chains. Any disruption could send shockwaves across industries, especially with 90% of gaming consoles in the US made in China and Apple still heavily reliant on its Chinese contractors. Trade wars often hit America's farmers first. In the last Trump era trade spat, US agricultural exports took a nosedive, especially soybeans, which are heavily dependent on Chinese buyers. In 2024, about 15% of all US farm exports went to China. Now, with retaliatory Chinese tariffs back and 5 times higher than before, the sector is bracing for more pain. The American Soybean Association has voiced open opposition to the tariffs, warning that the industry could collapse if the trade war continues. With over 500,000 soybean producers and $124 billion in industry value at stake, this isn't just a rural issue, it's a national one. That figure, by the way, is larger than the GDP of countries like Kenya or Bulgaria. Other key exporters like Cargill, Archer Daniels, Midland, and Tyson Foods could also see their profits nosedive if China pulls back on buying corn, pork, and other US agricultural goods. While Trump says he is standing up for American jobs, economists warn the strategy could backfire domestically. According to Yale Budget Lab estimates, these tariffs could cost up to 740,000 US jobs by the end of 2025. Consumers will face higher prices, inflation could tick up, and businesses may slow production to cope with rising input costs. In the end, the US China trade war is no longer just a geopolitical duel, it's a domestic economic issue with real consequences for American companies, workers, and consumers alike. As the world watches the battle of tariffs unfold, one thing is clear: the fallout isn't staying in Beijing or Washington, it's showing up in stock prices, supermarket shelves, and the paychecks of everyday Americans. So the question isn't just, will China blink? It's also, how much pain can US companies take before they break?